Having all-wheel drive on your car is awesome. It makes everything easier. But is it worth it? Watch this video till the end to find out. And by the way, if it's your first time here and you would like to learn more about cars, then you should consider subscribing. Front-wheel drive tends to understeer, rear-wheel drive tends to oversteer, and all-wheel drive, theoretically speaking, has a neutral behavior. Just in theory. In reality, it oversteers or understeers a bit depending on how the all-wheel drive system is designed. For example, in an Audi A3 with Quattro Haldex, the car uses the front axle for most of the traction. When needed, the rear axle comes to help, so the A3 will have an understeering behavior. On front-wheel drive cars, you can't have more than 300 horsepower and you can't make a car accelerate faster than 5 seconds. It's just physics and a lot of wheel spin. In rear-wheel drive cars, we have up to 600 horsepower and acceleration is a little better. There are some exceptions though, like the Dodge Challenger Demon with 840 horsepower, which accelerates in around 2 seconds. But that car is specifically designed for drag racing. So, as a quick summary, having all-wheel drive will help you accelerate faster, especially in extreme weather conditions, lateral acceleration is improved, and the overall handling of the car is better. There are a few downsides though. The all-wheel drive system is more complex, it needs proper maintenance, fuel consumption will increase, and it makes the car heavier. So, as a whole, to own an all-wheel drive car will cost you another 3 liters per every 100 kilometers. So, around 4 euros per year if you live in Europe, and slightly less if you live in another region where gas is cheaper. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.